Confused about English tenses? Let's break them down quickly. First, present simple. Use it for habits and general truths. For example, I eat breakfast every day. Next, present continuous. Use it for actions happening now. For example, I am eating breakfast. Past simple is used for actions that happened in the past. For example, I ate breakfast. Past continuous describes actions that were ongoing in the past. For example, I was eating breakfast when you called. Future simple is for actions that will happen. For example, I will eat breakfast. Future continuous is for actions that will be ongoing. For example, I will be eating breakfast at 8 a.m. Present perfect connects past actions to the present. For example, I have eaten breakfast. Finally, past perfect is for actions completed before another past action. For example, I had eaten breakfast before you arrived. Practice these tenses to improve your English. You've got this. Like and subscribe for more quick English tips. See you next time.